Welcome everyone. In this part, we'll be discussing next example from the gymnosperm, and that will be Pinus. The image in front of us is not clearly gives an idea what exactly it is. This image is actually a forest created by the Pinus tree. So these are nothing but Pinus tree which are going to form a forest like an area. These trees are usually found in hilly as well as snow covered areas. These are xerophytic in nature, in the sense it is they are going to flourish very well in presence of very little amount of water. The reason behind this character is a presence of the sunken stomata. As we all know, the sunken stomata is going to reduce the loss of water. Apart from that, the leaves are in the form of needle shape. Needle shape in the sense there is their surface area is completely reduced. Reduction in the surface area is nothing but a reduction in the loss of water. Apart from that, there is a presence of cuticle. So these adaptations make them to flourish very well under less availability of water. A snow covered area is nothing but a cold desert where water is available in the form of snow. Liquid form, water in the liquid form is like absent. So these are some of the xerophytic conditions. This image is of Pinus, show clearly giving the idea of branching followed by the leaves, which are usually needle shaped, hard needle shaped leaves. This is again a small kind of in a forest of Pinus. Here we can clearly make out that the shape of the tree is in a cone form or a pyramidal form. This shape gives them a common name as conifers. Why this is so? Because here we can make out the branches. Branches here, they are going to reduce in size as they go on to reach the apex. That is, at the base we have the larger branch, followed by at the tip the size is reduced. That's the reason they are having this cone shaped structure. This is an image of individual Pinus plant where these plants are large. They are perennial and evergreen. Now perennial in the sense the trees which are going to survive for many years. Such trees are called as perennial. Now speaking about the term evergreen, in the sense they are not going to shed these needle shaped leaves. They are not going to shed them. That's the reason they will be present all the time there. That's the reason evergreen trees. Now as I said, these branches are spirally arranged on them. That's the reason it is going to give a cone shaped structure. The sporophytic body is the dominant one here in case of Pinus. In case of Pinus, and it is differentiated into root, stem and needle shaped leaves. Speaking about the root is usually a tap root. As we all know, the root is usually a tap root, with a very few amount of root hairs if present. Root hairs are completely absent. Later on, this tap root is replaced by the lateral root. Huge amount of lateral roots are going to grow. On this lateral root, we can see covering of the fungal hyphae. Fungal hyphae will be present on the upper surface of this root. That's the reason it will be like a ectomycorrhiza. Ecto is outside. This is a symbiotic association found in case of root of the Pinus. These roots are more helpful in the absorption and fixation. Now speaking about the stem is erect. It is cylindrical. Yes, it is erect, cylindrical, and it has got two types of branches. First branch is nothing but a long shoot and a dwarf shoot. This is the image. This is a long shoot. On the long shoot, what we have is these small shoot which are called as dwarf shoot. So two types of shoot system is there. One is long shoot, another one is dwarf shoot. These are commonly called as what? Branches of unlimited growth. Which one? Long shoot. Long shoot is called as branches of unlimited growth, whereas this dwarf shoot are called as branches of limited growth. Limited in the sense they won't extend further. They have a limit growth. Their growth is limited or stopped at a certain point. That's the reason limited growth shoot or a dwarf shoot. Now this long shoot, why they have the unlimited growth? Why? Because at their tip they are going to have a small apical bud. Now when I say at the tip apical bud is nothing but a structure like this. We have this long shoot. On the long shoot at the tip we have this apical bud. Now this apical bud usually contain a tissue which is not undifferentiated tissue, made up of what? Meristematic cells. These meristematic cells found in the bud, what's the main function? Their main function is to trigger growth. This apical bud, they are going to trigger growth, allowing to grow further. Apart from that, this apical bud of the tree, which is the primary growing point located at the tip, produces a growth hormone called as auxin or indole acetic acid. Auxin or indole acetic acid. This is what? Growth hormone. This is going to reduce the growth of the lateral bud, and it is going to enhance the formation of the apical bud at the tip and leading to further growth. This is what happens in this unlimited growth of the long shoot. That's the reason growth of this long shoot is unlimited. Why? Because of presence of this apical bud which contains the meristematic cells, which is going to produce the hormone called as an auxin or indole acetic acid. Because it is meristematic in nature, it is going to trigger the growth of the new cells. Whereas on this long shoot, dwarf shoot will be present. It won't have the apical bud. It is devoid of the apical bud. That's the reason its growth is limited. That's the reason it is called as an limited growth branch. Whereas the long shoot is unlimited growth. Whereas dwarf shoot is a limited growth. This is what the image gives us an idea. This is the more enlarged view here. Long shoot. On the long shoot, what we have is dwarf shoot. This was a description regarding the shoots in case of Pinus. Now speaking about the leaves, there are two types of leaves in Pinus. One is foliage leaves, another one is scale leaves. Scaly and foliage. Scaly leaves is usually present on both long long shoot as well as dwarf shoot. So we can make out here presence of these structures. These are nothing but a scaly leaves. Here also scaly leaves are present both on dwarf as well as long shoot. Whereas foliage leaves are nothing but these green colored needle shaped leaves. They are present only on the dwarf shoot. So this is the dwarf shoot. On the dwarf shoot arises these needle leaves. These needle leaves are not present on the long shoot. They are present only on the dwarf shoot. Now a dwarf shoot along with this needle shaped leaf is called as spur. What is a spur? What is spur? Spur is nothing but this is a long shoot. On long shoot, dwarf shoot arises. On dwarf shoot, there is a needle like structure. This needle like structure along with this dwarf shoot is called as what? Spur. Now in a different species of Pinus, different kinds of spurs are formed, that is unifoliar, bifoliar, trifoliar, pentafoliar likewise. In the sense, this dwarf shoot may have only one needle like leaf, or it may have two needle like leaves, or it may have three needle like leaves. Likewise, it is differentiated into monofoliar, trifoliar, bifoliar, pentafoliar likewise. So this is the image. So the Pinus spurs having only one, this is a dwarf shoot, this is a dwarf shoot, and this is a needle shaped leaf like structure. So only a dwarf shoot contains only one needle is found in case of Pinus monophylla. This condition is called as monofoliar or unifoliar. Whereas in case of Pinus sylvestris, this is a dwarf shoot. On dwarf shoot we have two needle shaped leaves. This is called as a bifoliar. Whereas in case of Pinus gerardiana, This is a dwarf shoot and presence of the three needle shaped leaves, so it is a trifoliar condition. Whereas in case of Pinus walchiana, this is the long shoot. On the long shoot we have this dwarf shoot. On dwarf shoot there is a presence of 5 different leaves, needle shaped leaves. So this condition is called as pentafoliar. This pentafoliar is usually seen in Pinus walchiana. So this was a description regarding the morphology of Pinus. Thank you.